Kanpur's famous tannery business has been in decline over the last few years, primarily on account of strict action ordered by the National Green Tribunal over pollution concerns. And now those involved in the business have an additional headache: the fear of the self-styled Cow Protection Brigade. Alok Pandey and Ramesh Verma report.
At Kanpur's Jajmau, this tannery, one among the 400 at India's largest centre for buffalo leather, business has been on the decline. Many Dalit workers here, mostly from Bihar's Vaishali district, have left. But 42-year-old Manoj Ram has stayed on. For someone who has worked with raw animal hides for 20 years now, he says he doesn't know what else to do. Many tanneries here have shut, one of the reasons being pollution in the Ganga that flows by the town. Another concern for Manoj, the recent Dalit beatings in Gujarat's Una.
गलत हो रहा है। गुजरात में हम सुने हैं यही 2-3 दिन पहले जे किसी ने नमासी को भैंस को किसी ने खाल छील रहा था, तो किसी ने जो है उसको जो है डंटे से मारा, उसमें पुलिस का भी हाथ था।
तो इसमें आपको थोड़ी चिंता होती है इस चीज़?
तो क्यों नहीं चिंता होगी, हो सकता है हमारे ऊपर भी कभी आ जाए।
This group of tannery owners say that in the last few years, business has slid as much as 70%. And it's not just the pollution. The fear of a backlash in the controversy and political propaganda over cow slaughter has meant that business has gone down.
लास्ट मंथ में यूरोप में था और काफ़ी उम्मीद से गया था, लेकिन खाली आता गया। मीडिया, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया और प्रिंट मीडिया ने हवा क्रिएट कर दिया है कि वो डर गए ऑर्डर देने से कि आगे पता नहीं ये लोग दे पाएंगे कि नहीं दे पाएंगे।
The bigger issue though is elsewhere. At Old Kanpur's Pech Bagh, a street once famous for raw hide godowns, over 1/3 have shut, owners say, in just the last 2 years, giving in to mechanized slaughterhouses. And to this, harassment of truck drivers who transport animals and hides, all in the name of cow protection by right-wing groups.
पहले जब ट्रक भेजते थे, माल खरीदते तो कोई पुलिस वाला आगे कभी टच नहीं करता था चमड़े वालों को। अब जो है सर बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क हो गया, बहुत ज़्यादा, मतलब उनके ऊपर कुछ आ जाती है तो हम चमड़ा खरीदते तो हमको भी उसी लपेटे में ले लिया जाता है।
Assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh are just a few months away, and in Kanpur, those associated with tanneries or the leather industry are hoping that a business already on the brink will not be affected any further because of political rhetoric. In Kanpur with Arun Agarwal and camera person Ramesh Verma, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.